Let's see if I can make a pretty floral sign using these little ears I got from Michael's. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So I have a Dollar Tree sign and I sand it down. We just want to get, it's got glitter all over it, which I'm not opposed to glitter, but I want this to be country and floral. So I sanded it down, wiped that down, and then I'm going to add a layer, fairly thick layer of chalk paint. And the color is Java, and just cover the front of it. And yes, you can still see the underneath. It's okay. And then I use my comb method. I'm going to go down and then I'm going to go to the side. I'm trying something new. Let's see what happens. So then it dried, and now I'm using some Dixie Belle paint that I got from Paula Inspired Creations. Thanks, Paula. I think the color is Tea Rose. And then I'm just covering the front with that chalk paint. I love it. This is such a pretty, such a subtle pink. It's so lovely. I love it. So then let it dry. And once it's dried, we're going to sand it, of course, because, you know, I love the distressed vibe. If you don't like the distressed vibe, don't sand it. It's fine. But where's the fun in that? So again, all I'm doing right now is sanding. And yes, you can. The stuff from underneath is popping through, but it's okay because we are going to actually cover it. So I'm not worried about it at all. But look at how cool this looks already. Oh, I love that. I got these ears at Michael's. They're like felted ears. I pulled them off of the pick they were on because we're not going to need that. We'll use it for something else. And then while I was doing that, it was like, you know what? I want to lighten this up. So I just took a dry brush and some chalk paint, some white chalk paint, and I'm just kind of dry brushing it on. Again, it's just to lighten it up and make it look a little bit more farmhousey kind of thing. Again, this is totally optional. This is just my thing. I thought it needed it. Then I'm putting some glue on the back of the ears, and I'm going to add them to my sign. I'm putting the ears a little bit higher, and see how I'm covering where you could see through the paint with the sign. And I'm just going to put them at an angle so they obviously look like a bunny ear. They're so pretty. And now, yes, friends, you know how I struggle with florals. I do. I'm not going to lie, but I'm not going to stop. I'm going to keep trying because I can only get better, right? So I'm putting some greenery on, and I have a bunch of different florals. I think this was from a pick I got from Joann's, and I'm just pulling the flowers off it, and I'm just adding them to the sign. And I don't know. I mean, I was like, do I like it? Do I not? I don't know. I still need some work. I know. Some of you are cringing, and it's okay. Especially my sis. My sis, she's so good with florals, and she watches my videos, and she's like, you've got to get back. Like, let me help you with those florals. I think it's just, I just need to just keep doing them to learn and to grow, right? And it's okay. Those bunny ears originally had a cute little green bow, and I'm going to glue that at the top again. Super cute. I put another little flower on the bottom, and that's it. And listen, I'm not mad. Those flowers made the shape of a heart, and totally unintentional, but I love it. I think it came out really cute. I feel like I'm growing a little bit more with my florals. I'll get there. Don't worry. But I hope this gives you a cool idea to do for your own. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspired you.